Are you ready to unlock some amazing AI tricks? In this video, I'll show you how to master keyframing, create stunning videos from text for free, and even make a talking character using AI tools. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these simple yet powerful techniques will level up your video game. Let's dive in.
Are you ready to learn keyframing from basic to advanced and create some amazing effects like this? I will also show you how you can create text highlight effect, text behind person, and more amazing effect like this. So stay tuned till the end of the video to learn making these amazing editing tricks. Let's start our today's video. I will start from basic keyframing. Open CapCut and here click on the import button to import materials. I will import YouTube PNG as an example. You can add it by simply dragging it to the timeline as I did. I will adjust it as I need it. Or you can add it to timeline by simply clicking this plus icon. By applying this method, the PNG will directly add it to timeline. But you can adjust it or keep it where you need it. I don't need the second PNG, so I will click on it and simply choose delete option to delete it. Now to adjust it, simply click on it, and here you can change its position and size. Basically, keyframing is used to animate objects. Let's suppose if you want to change the position of this logo, and you want to move the logo from here to there. Place the object from where you want to move it, and now simply add a keyframe by clicking on this icon. Now here, give some space in timeline as you need. Once you do this, now move the logo where you want to move it. So I will move the logo here. As you can see, the logo is animated. To further animate it again, give some space between keyframes and timeline, and again move the logo where you want it. Our logo is animated, let's check it. Here the logo moves fast and the animation also doesn't look well. So to slow it down, I will drag the keyframes farther from each other, so the animation looks good. As you can see, it looks good than before. And in this way, you can animate anything you want. So it was basic, now let's try to create something attractive and advanced. It's the same YouTube logo that I used in previous animation. First, add text. To add text, simply click on text and click this plus icon. And your text will be added. Here you can change the color of text. And if you want to change font, simply click on font and choose the font that you like. Now scroll down. Here you can add shadow, glow, and background to font. I want to put the text under the logo, but it's not going down. Don't worry, click anywhere. And now click on modify and open free layers and save it. As you open free layers, you can keep the text anywhere you want. I will keep the text behind the logo and adjust it. To edit text, click here, and you can write whatever you want. Let's write advanced editing and adjust its size. For adjusting size of anything, you can use these corners and then you can increase and decrease size of anything. Now I will add animation to text to make it more engaging. To add animation to text, simply click on animation. Here you can add any animation, but for now, add this type to animation and adjust duration of animation. Now go back to start of timeline and play the video till the text is slightly visible. Once you do this, now add a keyframe. As the keyframe is added, move some keyframes. And also drag the logo as the text becomes visible. To move the logo till the end of the text. Decrease the size of the logo and hide it in the side. Animation is ready. Let's check its final view. In this way, you can create any kind of animation. Let's move to other edit, which is text highlighting. Drag the image or PNG text that you want to highlight. So I will adjust the PNG that I'm going to highlight, adjust its size as you want. For highlighting text, you will need a line PNG that you can simply download from Google. Search in Google for yellow line PNG, and you will find it. I will drag it to timeline and crop it. After cropping, adjust its size. As you do this now here, click in blending and choose multiply. After this here, click on the mask option and choose horizontal mask. Rotate it 270 degrees and drag it to start of the yellow line PNG. Now in the mask option, click on this keyframe. Give some space in the timeline and then drag it to the end of the yellow line. See, the text is highlighted. Let's check its final view. In this way, you can highlight any kind of text. It's time to move for the final edit, which is text behind person. First, open free layers, as I told you earlier. Now I will drag my character to timeline and adjust its size. And now it's time to add text. To add text, simply click on text and click on this plus icon. Write any text that you want. I will write here editing as my video is related to editing. I will also change the font of the text and add stroke to it. Now select the text in timeline and drag it under the character, and the text will go behind the character. I will adjust the size of text that it looks better. You can also add animation to the text that you like or leave it as it is. As you can see, the animation is ready and you can animate text behind anything like this. Do you want to convert text into video without any effort and also without spending a single penny? So you are at the right place. In this video, I am about to show you guys that how you can convert text into video. After watching the complete video, you will be able to convert your text into video. So without wasting further time, let's get into our video. I am going to show two methods to convert text into video. Moving to first method. First, open your Chrome browser and search for Leonardo AI in the search bar. After that, open the first site. Now click on the Create Account. To create account, here you can create account with email and as well as Google. So I will continue with Google. After creating account, click on the image generation. In here, as you can see, the prompt section. As I write in prompt, a boy reading book. And after this, click on generate to create image. Now it will take some time to generate images according to the prompt. The images are generated according to prompt we entered. Here you can change the image ratio as you want. Now select the image that you want to convert to video. So I will select this one. Now here, click on the motion video and now click on the generate. It will take some time to convert image to video. As you can see, the video is ready. So let's preview it. It's looking good. As I showed to you that how you can convert text into video. So let's check out the second method by which we can convert text into video. And the main thing is that the second method is also for free. So let's move to our second method. Before moving to the second method, if you are still watching the video, so please like the video and subscribe the channel. Open a new tab in Chrome browser and search for Runway ML in search bar. After that, open the first site. Click on Try Runway ML for free. Here you can create an account with Google as well as email. So I am going to continue with Google. As you created an account, now close this and click on Continue with Image. Here click on the Upload File and upload the image you want to convert to video. As you uploaded it, it will be processed. And now just click on the Generate. As you clicked it, so it will convert your image into video. So let's preview our video. Our video is looking good. Now you can create videos like this according to your project.
In this video, I am about to show you how you can make animations like these, in which you can put anything behind character. So let's get into today's video. First, open CapCut, and here click on the Import button to import the materials that you want to use in your project. First, I will drag this motion background to Timeline and drag it to adjust its length as I need. Now click anywhere in Timeline and here click on Modify and open Free Layers. And save it. As you open Free Layers. Now drag the character to the timeline behind which you want to edit things. I will add this one because I want to use this. Now drag it from the corners to adjust its size as you adjust it. To add animation, simply click on the Animation tab and add this slide up animation. Also increase its duration for better results. If you play it, the character will be animated. As you can see, the character is animated. Now drag the material that you want to put behind the character. So I will drag this black screen clock animation. And I will increase its speed as I need. To increase or decrease speed, click on this speed tab and adjust it. As speed is adjusted, I will remove black screen. To remove it, click on blending and choose the screen option, and it will be removed. First, increase its size and drag it under the character in the timeline. As you adjusted it, add animation to it by clicking Animation tab. Add the upslide animation to the clock. As you add the animation, also increase the duration of the animation. Once you add the animation, if you play it, you will see that that character and the clock both are animated. It's time to purify it more. So I will add keyframe by simply clicking on this option and give some space in timeline and also increase its size. As you do this, you will notice that it's animated. It's time to add more charm into it. I will increase the space between keyframes so it looks smoother. Now go to Effects and choose Pendulum Effect, drag it on the character. Adjust it as I do. And finally, our character is animated. If you want to make it more engaging, go to Effects and choose this effect. Drag it on the motion background, and you will observe that it looks more interesting than before. In this way, you can add anything behind the character and make your videos more engaging. You may have seen these channels with talking characters. They are getting a ton of views and subscribers. And it is actually very simple to make. And you can use it where you can't find a suitable stock video. And also it makes the video more engaging. Without further ado, let's start our today's video. Search for CapCut Image Generator in Chrome browser and open First Site. This is the interface. Simply scroll down and click on Generate. Now you have to do nothing but paste the prompt for image that I will provide you in description. Click on the Generate and your avatar image will be ready soon. If you look here, you can also select ratio for the avatar. You can choose it for TikTok or YouTube. Both avatars looks cool, but I like this one better. Click on this button to download it. It's time to add extra charm to the avatar to make it more engaging. For this, I will add some extra material. Don't worry, I won't recommend you Photoshop. Here I will use free AI tool Adobe Firefly. Simply search it on Google and open First Site. As you open it, scroll a little and click on Generate Fill and upload the avatar that we created recently. For example, I want to remove this laptop. And now I will simply write here what you want. Let's have a light. Let's make it more better. You may have seen a mic in front of character, so I will create a mic. You can add more things like this to improve it. But after downloading it, we'll have this ugly watermark. To remove this watermark, I will use ClipDrop, which is for free. Open the Chrome browser and search for ClipDrop, and open the first site. Select Tools and choose Text Remover. Here, upload the avatar image to remove the logo from it, and click on Remove Text. Once you do this, you can simply download it. Now we have to do one last thing, is our character speaking. To animate our character, I will use a free AI software that is Artflow. Let's search for Artflow AI in Chrome browser and open the first site. Here, click on the Video Studio and click on this plus icon and upload the image that you created, so I will upload this one. Here, write anything you want to animate it. Now click on Export and Animate, so your character will be animated. Give name to your animation, and animation will be downloaded successfully.
Do you want to make a talking character just like me? This talking character is used by almost all faceless YouTubers. If you want to know how to make this character, so watch the video till end. Let's start our today's video. Go to Chrome browser and search Leonardo AI. After this, click on the first site. Now here, write prompt, or I will give it in the description. Then you paste it here, and now click on the generate. And it will take some time. You can wait a few seconds. As you can see that our image is generated, so use the image that you like the most. So I like this one the most, so I will use it. Now go to YouTube and search green screen talking mouth. Don't worry, they all are copyright free. Download this one. After downloading it, open CapCut app. As you open it, import the image that we generated, and also import the green screen talking mouth that we downloaded from YouTube. Once you import it, click on the plus icon, or drag it to the timeline. Once you adjust it, here click on the ratio and set it on 16:9, because we are making it for YouTube. After this, import the green screen talking mouth we downloaded. Now click on the plus icon to add it in timeline. Drag it to the overlay section and adjust it according to the clip. When it is adjusted, click the cutout option here. Enable chroma key in here, click on pick color. So choose the green color and increase the strength. After this, adjust the mouth on its lips and cover it completely so it looks good. As we adjust it on its place, no play it. And take a look at how is it looking. So it's looking good. Now just export it. If you enjoyed watching the video, so please like it. And subscribe the channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon.